Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have to tell you, if you ever get the opportunity to meet up with other Dolly YouTube, what do we call it, creators, do it. I met so many nice people that I am still in contact with through texting and email and meet up with that I met at the St. Louis Doll Show when we had the meetup there, and we spent, how many days did we spend together, Darren? The whole weekend for sure.
It's like 4 days, I think.
I'm thinking it was 4 days too. Such fun. One of the people I met, but I met her on the doll show floor. She wasn't able to come to the meetup, and I want to sit down and have time with her, was Irene Huff. I'm going to tell you folks, those comments that she leaves on your channel, that's Irene. She really was that sweet. And I know she is because I met her daughter and son-in-law, and you can tell a lot about a person by their children. And her kids are so nice and so good to her. Anyway, Irene sent me a Happy Mail, which is a hug in an envelope, and I want to open that up. And I just wanted to remind you that there are a lot of good channels out there that you may not yet be subscribed to. If you're not subscribed to Irene, you will want to be. She has a lot of different doll types, which I really like. And one that she really likes are her 18-inch dolls. Hello, Marna. I hope you enjoy this pattern and are having a wonderful day. She had sent me a pattern before for a 14-inch doll, and when she got this one, she asked me if I would like to have a copy of it too. And I like these patterns that she sends because they have, for the beginners especially, these are Dolly Keeper designs. I think that's a different pattern maker, but I'm not sure. But they have all these photos, and if you are new to sewing or an intermediate sewer, sometimes you need to refer. Now, a lot of times I just look at the pictures and go, and I know a lot of you do the same. And this has step by step by step. Thank you so much, Irene. Is that not cute? And the colors are perfect on that doll, that pink. And then you have your pattern in the back. I really appreciate that, Irene. Thank you so much. Go by and visit Irene's channel, and hope you get to meet her at a doll show soon. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.